What is up everyone, my name is Shakti and you watching Traveling Mondays. So I hope you everyone doing good today and I'm so much happy to see you smiling today. So welcome back to the channel everyone. और हम बर्फीले पहाड़ों से पहुंच चुके हैं रंगीले राजस्थान में. तो इस बात में कोई डाउट नहीं है कि इस सिटी को वेनिस ऑफ इंडिया क्यों बोलते हैं. It's all surrounded by lakes going through the city. Stay tuned, watch this video till the end and give it a thumbs up. So why don't you subscribe that? That's all free, man. This is day 2 guys and I have reached at this beautiful lake named Badi Lake और इसके चारों तरफ एक green mountain की series है. It's all covered by that series of mountains. So yeah, I think yeah.
Tell me, do you feel it? 'Cause I do. Doesn't even feel real. Yeah. Fuck me up so bad, babe. Oh. In follow. Take me to your island, 'cause I've lost it.
So guys, I have just reached at Monsoon Palace और आज बहुत क्लाउडी दिन है और बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल वेदर हो रखा है और यहाँ से व्यू इज जस्ट लाइक आई एम सिटिंग ऑन अ ड्रोन. सो यू कैन हैव एरियल व्यू ऑफ होल उदयपुर सिटी फ्रॉम हियर. और वहाँ जाते हैं हम लोग. सो यू कैन सी फतेह सागर एंड दैट इज़ पिछोला. सो बोथ आर लाइक मोस्ट अट्रैक्शंस ऑफ दिस प्लेस. तो ये दोनों यहाँ से विजिबल है. सो होल उदयपुर इज विजिबल फ्रॉम हियर एंड you can enjoy this aerial view coming up here, and that's the palace.
I've been up all night thinking about you, about where I am going. I can't stay, but I can hardly move, hardly move. And I can't say where I'm off to. I'll find you again.
So this is it for this vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And this was my 25th birthday that I celebrated और बहुत मज़ा आया मुझे. I really explored some unexplored places of Udaipur. Udaipur में 4 बार आ चुका हूँ. Every time I come here, I really feel like it's so chill. You can plan to come Udaipur from July to February. The nightlife is really chill. You can sit in a cafe and enjoy the music and the booze. Enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to this channel for more chill vibes. Share it with your friends, friends of friends, your colleagues, your office colleagues, your purana friend, your Facebook wala friend, your Instagram friend. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो सब्सक्राइब वाला बटन है उसे पक्का से दबा देना, एकदम पक्का से, ठीक है। So I am signing off from Udaipur and I'll be going to Delhi and I'll be doing a setup for making tutorials soon. And thank you so much guys for your love and support. We are 25k now and that's so amazing. And happy World Photography Day to everyone who loves photography and loves to travel. So this is it. I'll see you guys next time with the new destination, with a new chill vibe, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, keep chilling, keep enjoying, and you can find me on Instagram, and my Instagram ID is traveling_Mondays. You can join me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.